Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about an event that happened in 2025 and changed the course of world history. The Avatar tribe from the planet Pandora launches a sudden attack on Earth. In this great war, humanity and nature clash. But what will be the outcome of this war? Keep watching the video to find out. Year 2025, the Avatar attack. The year 2025 was a turning point for the world. The mysterious Avatar tribe from the planet Pandora launched their long-awaited attack. Humanity, which had reached the pinnacle of technology, was caught off guard by this primitive tribe. The Avatars were blue-skinned giants who lived in harmony with nature. They were tired of the oppression and exploitation of their planet. This attack, planned for years, was carried out in the hope of reclaiming Pandora and stopping the destruction of humanity. The attack hit the whole world suddenly. The Avatars used advanced war machines and the forces of nature to raze human cities to the ground. Airships filled the sky. Giant insects and forest spirits ravaged human armies. World leaders were in shock and panic. An urgent plan had to be made to counter the Avatars. But human technology was no match for the power of nature. In this chaotic environment, a group of brave humans took action to stop the Avatars. This group included a former soldier, a young scientist, and a mysterious guide who could communicate with the Avatars. The group decided to go to Pandora to find the Avatars' weaknesses and convince them peacefully. Their journey was full of dangers, but the future of humanity depended on it. When they arrived on Pandora, the group tried to understand the Avatars' culture and traditions. They saw their respect for nature and their deep connection to the planet. The group realized that the Avatars also wanted peace and that war was a last resort. After long and difficult negotiations, the group managed to make an agreement with the Avatars. According to the agreement, humans would withdraw from Pandora and would no longer do further harm to the planet. The Avatars, on the other hand, would let go of their anger towards humans and live in peace. This agreement was a new ray of hope for the world. Humanity could learn to live in harmony with nature and protect the planet from the Avatars. The Avatars, too, could trust in the goodness of humanity and live in peace. The year 2025 was a tragic beginning for the world, but it was also a year of hope and change. Humanity learned from its mistakes and took a step towards a better future with the Avatars. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell to get notifications for new videos.